hair. What's up, guys? If you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you stay tuned because your girl did what was needed to be done. That's just period. So make sure you click the links in the description box. Thank you so much. Next time, this lace is top tier, like top tier as fuck. Like, it looks, this is the best lace I done had in a minute. But make sure you guys check them out. I look crazy, but I did the braids out of my head because it wouldn't have applied or looked the same if I would have did it on my head, if that makes sense. So it's gonna be pretty when I do my baby hairs, but I love this lace. Like, this lace is absolutely beautiful. Like, this looks like my scalp. Like, it legit looks like my scalp. I might do this braid up if I don't know. This looks so cute, and I haven't even did anything. But what I'm about to do is I just applied the ghost bun to my scalp, and I just placed the wig on top. It's band. I wish I had my elastic band, but I don't know where I put it. This is gonna melt my lace. I think this is gonna be so pretty. This hair sent to me. Okay, so now I'm taking it off. See how melted that looks? It's the lace. Like, this is the best lace I done had in a long time. And this is from Alipearl. Like, get you, if you want to do a style like this, get you this wig. Cause this shit don't make no sense how good this looks. So now we about to So for the edges, you need your flat irons, mini flat irons, your edge brush, and your got to be. So just pay close attention because this step is very strategic. You just gotta play around with it. These actually did really good after the first try. Like, I normally they don't look good.
I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap.
So y'all, I decided to do a different style. I seen on Instagram. The girls have been too much. I feel like this is the perfect beach vacation hairstyle. Like, I'm definitely going to wear this wig when I go out of town. Like, it's so pretty. So how I'm gonna do it is I stick my finger in it and I wrap Bantu style. Like, if you know how to do Bantu knots, then you know how to do this. And then I just wrap and I wrap. This is gorgeous. Like, this wig is a 10 out of 10. Y'all, this looks so good. And then I left this one down and I kind of pulled this braid out so we can get like more of a island look. So I'm gonna, I have a braid right here. I'm gonna leave that braid down. This is ridiculous. Like, this lace is beautiful. But yeah, guys, my phone finna die. My camera finna die, so I'm finna charge it so I can show you guys the finished results after I do my makeup. What's up, guys? So this is the finished results. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This junk was fire. This is fire. Like, this fire. This wig cap, I gotta cut some more, but this thing is super fire. Like, things you did was that. Like, I did that. Like, hands down the best hair. So make sure you click the links in the description box for more videos. I mean, for more info on this hair. This hair is so beautiful and flowy and soft. I absolutely love this